I'm not a baker by any means. Haven't baked anything ever. I want to do any and everything with my daughter just so that she can see that she can do any and everything.
Take it from me, baking is really, really, really fun. It's even more fun when you do it with your kids. So watch me as I bake with my friends Wesley and Sky, and we have some ooey gooey chocolate delicious fun. Cool. Yes!
Yes! Perfection! Yeah. They're done, and they're cool enough to eat. Do you want to pick the first one?
I don't like those.
I love you.
Okay, that's hysterical.
I tried them last night.
You tried them last night, they're not for you. Totally get it. What if, do you want just
It's more like a cheeseburger, chicken tender
Okay,
type.
what if I put some cheese on that? Okay, so we won't,
If we were gonna put frosting on it, you would eat the frosting. She would eat the frosting off of the cupcake.
Yeah, I'm that way too.
Well, I'll try one. Can I have
You'll
this
try
one?
it, yes.
All right.
Wes, thank you so much for baking with me. Thank you, Sky, for being my chef and helping. Would you do this again? Would you bake? Are you gonna bake bread all the time now?
I mean, we're definitely gonna be in here. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank
this
you.
Opportunity. This is a whole lot of fun. And
So this is just to show you,
never needed
baking with yeast is so easy and you should start young.
that. You wanna try to do this tomorrow?
Maybe with some cheese and some meats and some other things in there.
And we can watch the commercial so we can remember.
Yes!
There it is.
Yes.